Hey there, I'm back in with video projects with teacher Joel. I hope you remember me. I'm Daniel, Abraham Daniel Ruiz Becerra. I'm currently studying the Mother Languages career in the Mother Languages Bachelor, in the Autonomous University on Baja California Sur. And the topic that I was assigned to explain is the skeleton system in the human body. I found such a lot of information, so I hope you result interest, and so I hope you like it. Let's start. The skeletal system includes all the bones and joints in the body. Each bone is a complex living organ that is made up of many cells, protein, fibers, and minerals. The skeletal system also provides attachment points for muscles to allow movement at the joints. New blood cells are produced by the red bone marrow inside of our bones. Bones act as the body's warehouse for calcium, iron, and energy in the form of fat. Finally, the skeleton grows throughout childhood and provides a framework for the rest of the body to grow along with it. The skeletal system in an adult body is made up of 206 individual bones. These bones are arranged into two major divisions, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. Hey there, it's me again, and as I said in my last lecture, the human skeleton can be divided up into two parts, which are the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The first one is the fundamental part of our human body. Why? Well, because without it, we couldn't do anything at all. We couldn't walk. Also, we only could be a mass of skin without our skeleton, axial skeleton. Sorry. Also, the axial skeleton is protecting and housing all the vital organs that we have. For example, with the skull, the axial skeleton is protecting our brain. With the rib cage or the thorax, as better known, is protecting our heart, and also it's protecting our lungs in the back side of our back. The actual skeleton consists of 80 bones, which are 29 bones with the 29 bones with the in the skull, 25 bones in the in thorax, and 26 bones in the vertebral column, which is the fundamental part of our body also too, because without it we couldn't walk. The appendicular skeleton is composed of 126 bones in the human body. The word appendicular is the adjective of the noun appendage, which itself means a part that is joined to something larger. The appendicular skeleton is divided into four major regions: shoulders, upper extremities, hips, and lower extremities. The bones of the upper extremities, or arms, are connected with the axial skeleton. The arms itself are composed by humerus, radius, and ulna. Then we have the hand, which consists of 27 separate bones. That's why people are able to execute any type of movement as they want, more than any other part of our body. The bones of the lower extremities or legs are connected to the axial skeleton with the pelvic girdle. It protects the bladder, reproductive organs, lower colon, and rectum. In the male, the pelvic arch is less than 90 degrees, while in the female, greater than 90 degrees. That's necessary, pretty necessary actually, in order to woman can be able to have child. The longest and strongest part of the skeleton is the femur. It is connected to the pelvis and to the tibia and fibula. The tibia support to keep a balance bearing all of our body's weight, and the fibula don't do that at all. The patella, or kneecap, is a large bone between the femur and fibula. It protects the knee joint. The bones of the ankle and foot must carry all of our body weight, and as we stand, walk, or run. The 26 bones and 33 joints they make up our ankle and foot unable to. Hey there, it's me again. So, in this participation, I could say that the appendicular skeleton, it could be not the most important thing of our skeleton, of our human skeleton, sorry, but also it helps a lot with it. I find it really interesting that we have the most movable part of our body is our hands, and that's because constitute or involved or composing by 27 in 27 separate bones. It's pretty amazing actually, and that's why we have to be really careful with our bones of our hands. Also, I find it really interesting that we have another bone between the femur and the tibia that it's like a connection and have a function really important that is like a knee. Also that the actual skeleton is the fundamental part. Everything is connected with it. Also the I don't really know. I don't had known that the pelvic girdle it was a protector of our reproductive organs, sorry, and it was pretty amazing to me. So well, this is all from me, and this was my video project with Teacher Joel, and I hope you liked all the information that I found. So I hope to see you in the next video project. So be careful guys, see you.